Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to change or edit name on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live app. The next thing is to log into your Lollipop Live account. Click on the profile icon found at the top bottom of your screen. Click on the pencil icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Then it's going to take you to this phase where you have to click on the name option, so you can change the name to any name of your choice. So let me just type in. So after typing it, you just have to click on save. You see the save on the new screen there. You just click on save, so it's going to automatically be saved to your Lollipop Live app. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to guide you on how to change or edit your name on Lollipop Live app. If this video was helpful, do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.